Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Silverado door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool to protect your interior. A small pick tool will also be very helpful for delicate parts. Don't forget a clean cloth and a small container to keep all your screws organized and safe during the process. Now, let's move to the interior. Begin by carefully prying off the window switch panel using your trim removal tool to avoid any damage. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors. Next, you'll find 2 Phillips head screws hidden behind that panel. Remove them. Finally, gently pry around the edges of the entire door panel to release its clips, then lift it off. With the interior panel off, you'll see a plastic moisture barrier. Carefully peel this back to gain access to the inner workings of the door. Look for the 2 10mm bolts that secure the door handle assembly. These are crucial. Use a socket wrench to remove both of these bolts. Then, gently detach the small rod that connects the handle to the door latch mechanism. You're almost there. Now, from the outside, slide the exterior door handle forward. This action will release it from its mounting points within the door. Carefully pull the entire handle assembly out. Before installing your new handle, always inspect it to ensure a proper fit. To reassemble, simply reverse all these steps, ensuring every connection and screw is secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.